my channel. Today I will show you how to use while loop in C++ graphics program. While loop is based on a condition that tells the compiler to do a task for a particular amount of time. Its syntax is while condition block of code semicolon. In order to explain it, I am sharing with you the program that is using while loop in C++. Firstly, I am including graphics.h header file. Next, I am starting here main function, and now I am declaring graphics variables here and the variable I. Because we will use loop in this program further, so I variable is a counter variable for that loop. I am here doing initialization of this variable also. I is equal to 0. So after initGraph function, I am starting here while loop. The condition is I is less than 2000. The loop will execute it until variable I is less than 2000. When variable I will be 2000, the loop will end. Now variable I value is 0 and this condition is true. Now the block of code in the while loop will be executed. The first statement of the loop is clear device function. This function will clear the previous output from the screen every time the loop will be executed. Next statement is circle function. Its parameters are x coordinate of circle is 300 plus I, y coordinate is 240 and radius of circle is 80. Now every time when the condition is true and the loop will be executed, then circle will be drawn on the screen with different values of x coordinate and same value of y coordinate. So it will be a moving circle. As next statement is delay 50. The time of the movement of the circle will be 50 milliseconds, and now I am writing here I++. As variable I is a counter variable for the loop. I++ means I plus 1, and then the loop will continue. Condition will again be true. Now variable I has value 1, and now the circle will be at the position 301 as x coordinate and same y coordinate and radius until x is 2000. The loop will be executed. Now I am writing here get ch function and return 0 statement. The output of the program is moving circle like this. This was all about using while loop in C++ in graphics program. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.